Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devon if you are new here, and if you're not new here, then welcome back to the click. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been styling my braids. So a little bit of background. These are Knotless Boho Braids. So as you can see, they are pretty small. They took about 8 hours to do, and what makes them boho braids is obviously the loose pieces of hair. So for the loose pieces of hair, my braider used human hair, and they're really pretty and curly, and they don't tangle as much as like if you use braiding hair for those loose pieces. However, the ends of my hair, which are also curly, are braiding hair. But so far I have not had many issues when it comes to like tangles and whatnot. I did refresh my hair one time so far, and that was after I had them in for 1 week. And now this has been 2 weeks with my boho braids, and they still look really, really good. I will show you guys the back. And my boho braids come to about my waist, especially if I was to pull them. They are pretty long, which is exactly what I wanted. And I did get them small because I wanted them to last a little bit longer. We're going to see how long I can actually wear these for, but we're going for at least 3 to 4 weeks, something around there. All right, so now we can actually get into the styles. So my braids can be worn to the side like I'm wearing them right now, or I can flip these over and wear it in the middle. But I don't really like wearing them in the middle. I just think they look better to the side, at least on me. So all of these styles are going to be with my hair flipped to this side. So when I don't want to just wear my hair down like this, I usually just pull some of my hair back, and I leave out this braid right here from the top. And I just pull that side back, and I leave this one loose, and I pull that side back. And then of course I take my hairband wrap it around twice, and I'm good to go. And I always like to kind of pull out my loose pieces, and I just kind of go in with my spray bottle and try to just get them looking a little more curly, I guess you can say. And I just twirl the loose pieces around my finger just to make them kind of pop a little bit more. And that's it. So I really love this style because I don't like when my braids are like all in my face, especially if I'm having to do something and I'm having to look down a lot and type, anything like that. So this is just like an easy style that gets your hair out of your face, but yet your hair is still down for the most part. So the next style is similar to that one, and For this, I'm just going to leave out one braid here, and then I'm just taking a few braids and I'm like pulling out some of the loose hair pieces. That's one of the things that I love about these goddess braids, is that you can really play around with those loose pieces and incorporate them into your style. So I just have those loose pieces kind of out, sort of like a waterfall effect. And then I'm just taking like maybe 3 pieces from the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing, leaving out the loose pieces. And then for this, I'm just gonna take one of my butterfly clips. I love these so much. I have them in several different colors. And I'm just going to put it right around those braids. And so this style is similar to the first, but it's a little more loose. As you can see, it kind of gives a little more of that bohemian goddess vibe, and it's definitely more down. So like this is still considered like in my face for the most part, but not as much as having it all the way down. So it's kind of like a little in between. But it's super, super cute. So now I'm going to do a little some up, some down. So for this, you can leave as much down as you want. I usually only take a little bit up, but if you wanted to, you could take more than what I'm taking. So I have this, and I just put my rubber band on. And I like to take one braid and just wrap it around my ponytail, just to kind of hide the band a little bit. And then of course I go in and I pull out those loose pieces. And we have like a little poetic justice moment, which I love. All right, and then from this, you can twist it up. And turn it into a little bun moment. Which is also super, super cute. Alright, so for this next style, I'm bringing all of my hair over to the side. I'm gonna leave like a couple pieces out on this side, but the rest we're taking over to this side. I'm gonna take this bigger hairband because this hair is pretty thick. And you have a little side pony. So I really love this style. I think it's just like so cute, and your hair is still basically like out the way, but yet you can still see the curls, and I just love it. All right. And you can also do like a bun instead if you don't want the hair to be hanging. Then you can just not pull it all the way through. And now you have it as like a little messy bun on the side. Also, very, very cute. And then of course, if you just want all of your hair up in a ponytail, you can do that. It is a bit of an arm workout getting all of these braids into a ponytail, but it is doable. Pony. Now, if you want like a higher ponytail, you could probably do it, but I'm not about to attempt it right now. So now we are going to do a high bun, and we're going to do more hair than we did on the other one. I don't think that I would be able to get all of these braids into a bun just because it's just a lot of hair. But I do think that I could do a relatively big bun. That is pretty cute. And I guess I can like see if I would be able to get more of my hair up, y'all. Let's just see, just for fun. How much hair can I get to go up? Okay. most of my hair is up. Minus like a few. I did like a little crisscross in the front, and that is actually pretty cute. Kind of pulled out a few pieces of the loose hair just to kind of give it that messy bun look. But I actually like this, y'all. It's giving Erykah Badu. And before I go, I will show you guys what my hair looks like when it is worn in the middle. And I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I just think it looks a lot better to the side. I don't know. But with this way, you can still do the first look that I showed you. Where you pull a little bit to the back, clip it with your butterfly clip, and it's super cute that way as well. So that was like a little bonus style for y'all. Alright, so those were all the styles that I wanted to show y'all. I hope that you liked them. If you decide to try out any of them, please let me know because I would love to see them. And don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, and also share it with your friends, and join the clique by hitting that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.